Today on the BlackStone Griddle we were doing some garlic prawns and a bit of calamari. Okay, for this dish we've got our prawns, got some calamari, got a lemon, got some garlic, pepper and some chilli powder, hot chilli powder, some tomato puree, a bit more garlic and some chilli peppers, olive oil. Okay, so we're going to just hit the grill with these prawns. Don't think they're going to take long to get going. Calamari on as well. Get these prawns out. And the calamari, I'm going to give them a good hit of garlic on those calamari. So that goes well on those. And you're going to give those prawns a hit of garlic butter. A bit of garlic butter going on there. And we'll give them a good squirt of tomato sauce. And we've got some garlic and chilli powder. These are good season up. And I'll just have a slight touch some hot chilli powder for these. Make sure they're up to standard. And we'll just give those a cover a minute to make sure they're cooked in, and they'll be ready in a couple of minutes. It's been about 2 more minutes now. See how they're doing. They look good. Thank you to Daniel for this recipe. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Looks fantastic. looking fantastic. All cooked on a BlackStone Griddle in the UK.